volcano, Masaya.
Thank you very much.
I am in the Masaya Volcano National Park. This The question is, why so many volcanoes in Central America, whereas not a single volcano? It plunges and melts deep beneath the surface of the North American and the Caribbean plates. Now, the Pacific Ocean basin is shrinking. The crust is underlying the Pacific Ocean is forced to plunge deep beneath the more massive continental plates at its margin. This intense heat of the Earth's interior plate then melts the oceanic crust. So, in this region, the molten rock rises surface of the continental plates, building a volcanoes. These release of molten rocks through the periodic eruption, causing lot of volcanoes in the Central America. The pressure acting at the northern side of the Pacific Atlantic Ocean and the bottom side of the Pacific Ocean is building too much pressure. This is causing the weak points in this region. So the eruption finds the weakest of the joints, and then there exist the volcanoes. There's a region we find so many volcanoes in this small region of 1,500 kilometers. Nearly every 100 kilometers there's a volcano. That is 17 to 18 volcanoes in this.
Okay, and this is the Masaya volcano, active volcano. You can just see these are volcanoes activities taking place. And if you come here, you can see these fumes are coming. It's the only active volcano right now in Managua. This Masaya is about 50 kilometers from Managua, and then we have to come to the highway and then come here. This is called Masaya volcano, one of the wonderful volcanoes of Nicaragua. Here, Nicaragua people are very friendly and then very helpful. Very nice to see this. You can just show this. The volcano, you can just see the all volcanic output. You can just see all this volcanic chemical. You can just show that. Go there. Slowly. Very good. Slowly. See here. That's very nice. You see so much there. And then you see there's a big crater. If you fall there, it will be dangerous. So this is the high point we are staying here. They're telling that not to go beyond this limit. Thank you very much.
The reason is When the molten rock inside the volcano under the great pressure with no exit, a powerful force builds up inside the volcano. If the amount of carbonization in the volcano's magma is high, and it is inevitable to release the leads of massive volcanic explosions, so it can be very dangerous. So we should be very careful not to go very close. That's the reason everywhere they put dangerous.
They are the experts here and showing all this crater. They are really good people, very friendly. They arrange the vehicle for me to come here and then show. Hey, just can you come over here? Just turn slowly. Yeah, come back. Come, sorry. Come. Just come. So beautiful to look at here. This nice atmosphere, Masaya volcano, active volcano from Nicaragua. The best people of Nicaragua. Very good people, very friendly people. Nicaragua. It's a beautiful place to visit, which is about 50 kilometers from here. A lot of smell is coming because of this chemical activity. Sometimes it is difficult to breathe. They are telling they just come.
Beautiful view from there. You can see the total crater. The video of my own using the tripods like this, and then to show the region. So I'm a one-man army. I had to do everything myself, right from traveling, visas, photos, videos, and then the graphics, everything. A single man army. A single man army is in the close vicinity of the Masaya volcano. If something happens to me, then nobody to bring me back to India. It's a great experience. A live visit of the Masaya volcano. Now I'm going to show you the same thing. This is the aerial view of the volcano. So nice to watch it. So beautiful. You can get the shape, and we are going by air, and then we're showing this.